Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed this Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial, and if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm just going to draw little hairs throughout my eyebrow and brush them out to make it look really natural. Then I'm going to take the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara and lightly run that through my eyebrows to give them more texture. Now I'm just going to conceal my eyelids with the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer and set that with the Laura Mercier powder. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take the Shadow Shy from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and blend that into my crease. After Shy is all blended out, I'm going to be taking the pink color Flamingo and layering that on top of where Shy was, also into the crease. I found that Flamingo wasn't vibrant enough, so I'm going to be taking the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be taking the shade Bori and also blending that into the crease. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and packing that into my outer V. And also taking the brown shade from the palette and blending that into my lash line. Now I'm going to be taking the Rose Gold Huda Beauty palette again, and with my finger packing on the shade Fling and Rose Gold onto my lid. Then I'm just going to prime my face using the Smashbox Hydrating Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And for my base, I'm going to be using the Chi Chi Fabulous and Flawless Foundation in 0.7 Linen. For those under eye bags, I'm just going to be taking the IT Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I'm just going to be using my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder again to set that concealer. And to warm up my face, I'm going to be taking the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick and applying that on my cheekbones and my temples. After blending out that cream contour, I'm just going to be layering on top of it the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. For blush, I'm just going to be using a pinky shade from the brand Nocturnal and putting that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to quickly apply the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and highlight my face with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. Oh, and I forgot to mention the shadows that I used on top of my eye, I also blended under my eye to bring the look around. Then I'm just going to attempt to apply some eyelashes from Tarte in the style Goddess. Moving on to lips, I'm just going to lightly line my lips with the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Red Rouge. And I'm just going to be going over that lip liner with the famous Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. Then I'm just going to put on my wig to bring the look together and make it more girly. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.